Welcome to the second part of my advanced Python course. So in this video I'm going to tell you about what is init and how to use it. So let's start. So here I am going to in my directory Python, then I'm going to run activate base in order to activate my base environment. Then uh, okay, now I'm going to type Jupyter notebook. So here I'm going to run my all Python commands. So wait for some times. It takes some time because it is heavy software and it takes some time to load. Until then we can Google what is init and how to use this and other stuffs also. Let's Google what is so init in Python. Okay, so init is generally used for initializing something in Python. Okay, so it is a method can because when object is created from the class, an access is required to initialize the attribute of the class. Okay, so you can get a brief summary and what is init and how to use it, what is its and how to define init. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to use init in your Python code and some of the use full tricks in it. Okay, so let's have the init in Python. Okay, I will write it something like this init in Python. I will mark down this and so I am pressing the shift plus enter in order to execute the command, and it will create a new line, new cell where I can write my own command. Okay, so we can define def init. Here we have to define cell parameter, comma, let's have a make name, comma, first name, comma, last name, comma, gender. Okay, so instead of self you can define any variable like a, b, any variable you want to define. Okay, now I can do this self dot name, self to name, self dot, okay, first name, first name, self dot last underscore name equals to last name, self dot gender equals to gender. So until here we have defined most of the things. Now we wanted user to enter something. Let's create a class of human. Okay, so we have the humans and we have to define the class for humans. We have defined it like this, and I will, so let's call human equals to, let's make it capital, human equals to human, and here I am defining first name as Lalit, Jaxi, and gender will be male. Sorry, now another different, I will write different command human. So you can see that it is printing the human object at 000. Okay. So in order to print it, let's define some else function, that is the str. Here I'm going to call self. Okay, so in order to print, I have to define something like uh, my name is ampersand s, ampersand s, ampersand s stands for string, and we are going to use something like self dot name self dot last name comma dot okay. So I have defined most of the things here. So let's test this. I think I'm missing something. Let's check this. Yes, everything is right. Okay, so it will be like return something. Okay. I have to concatenate to make something. My name is Jackson Mail. Okay, so this is the way we can define the init, and we can use the string function in order to print the value. Okay, without this, you can see that without using this function we are getting an error. We are not printing the values. Okay, let me show you that we are getting the human object, we are getting the object value, but after using the string function we can output the value. So here I am just returning the value, that is we are using the self function, self variable, that is to return the value, that is my name is ampersand s, as usual in Java, that is stand for string, string, and we are substituting the value, that is self dot first name, self dot last name, and self dot gender of the human, that we have defined it into the same class. Therefore it is called, using the, when we wanted to print it, we can use the str method in order to print it. Okay, so that's all. If you find this video useful, give a thumbs up. Thank you.